Only top students can do this question. Top students. So if you're one of them, I would advise you to pause the video, do it till the end, then later you watch the video just to cross-check your answers if we are working on the same page. I believe you are a good student. Here's the solution. Here's the suggested solution. That we have the integration. This is the integration of e raised to the power of x divided by -2 plus e raised to the power of x. We are integrating with respect to x. We are integrating with respect to x. So we have e power x on the denominator, and we have also e power x on the numerator. One thing you have to bear in mind that differentiating or integrating e power x, you get e power x. Now let's substitute negative 2 plus e power x with a certain variable, say t. So we shall say let t, for example, be equal to -2 plus e power x. We are trying to do integration by substitution. Then from here, let's differentiate. That is the t dx. The t dx, differentiating constant term, you get 0. Differentiating e power x, as I've just said, you get e power x. Then from there, now let's make dt the subject by multiplying both sides by dx. So we shall have dt to be equal to e raised to power x dx. Now let's go back to our integration and do the necessary substitution as we have requested the system to work for us here. So we shall say the integration of e raised to the power of x divided by -2 plus e raised to the power of x with respect to x. This will be equal to integrating. Okay, this is e power x divided by, remember our denominator -2 plus e to the power of x is equal to t. So we shall have our t on the denominator, then dx, this dx, that one. So that's what it will be reduced to. Then from here now, do you see this combination? Here's a multiplication, e to the power of x dx. This combination is the same as writing dt. Have you seen that? So our integration now will be reduced to e to the power of x dx. This will give us dt. Then we divide by t. Integrating, which is equal to the integration of 1 over t with respect to t. Okay, if you may recall the concept of integration when you're differentiating a fraction like this one, where you have 1 and a variable in the denominator, this gives you ln. That is natural logarithm. So integrating 1 over t with respect to t, this will give us ln of t. Okay, since our integration does not have limits, the minimum and the maximum limit, so this is the indefinite integral. Therefore, you must add a constant. Choose any constant. For me, I would prefer c to represent that particular constant. Now let's go back to our original substitution. What did we call the t? T was representing -2 plus e to the power of x. So in other words, therefore, let's make a conclusion. I think this space will be enough for us. The integration of e raised to the power of x divided by -2 plus e to the power of x with respect to x. This one gives us ln. Okay, we said our t is this one. So we put bracket, we say -2 plus e raised to the power of x. Then we add our constant. So this is our answer for this particular question. Okay, so I would want you to try this. Try integrate 2 to then e power 3x. Let's divide by -3, then plus e the power of 3x with respect to x. Is this doable? You are a good student, you must do it. So you try it, then also put your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to follow and recommend us to your friend so that we can share this nice information. Have a good day.